All right, thanks, Bill. And just as we are seeing these freezing temperatures, problems with the supply chain are starting to have an impact on heating and furnace repairs. Eyewitness News photojournalist Alan Kozlow shows us how some are dealing with these challenges.
Yeah, when I come in this room, it's pretty cold, and so I usually bring in the space heater so that it keeps me warm while I'm working.
Retired medical assistant Valinda Huck says she has trouble dealing with the cold ever since she finished chemo for her breast cancer just over a year ago.
When chemo finishes, your body is not done with it. Your body processes it for quite a while.
So the furnace is up here in the attic.
She and her husband Dirk have been keeping the doors upstairs shut ever since their second-floor furnace broke down last month. Their service company told them the circuit board was shot, and the supply chain was making finding a replacement difficult.
How long ago was that?
December 10th. So it's been almost a month that we've been without a circuit board for the furnace.
Huck says even though she's been dealing with the cold, she feels fortunate to still have one working furnace when others may have none.
We're thinking, well, if it's happening to us, how many homes across the United States are being impacted with supply chain issues for their heating and air conditioning, especially in the middle of winter?
What we had heard is that we were expecting to have shortages on circuit boards and electronic components, and that and this was a few months back. So we started placing orders to make sure that we had stuff for wintertime when it was still summertime.
Ray Hotailing is the warehouse manager at John Wayne Service Company. He says they use their database of parts used throughout the year to help predict what parts they will need and keep their 3 warehouses stocked for the winter.
Us here at John Wayne have really good relationships with our partners and our suppliers, and they were able to get us a little bit ahead of the curveball on some of these shortages that we're expecting around the nation.
Alan Kozlow, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.